Imagine waking up, opening your laptop, and earning money from clients anywhere in the world. No commute, no office. The truth is, most beginners fail not because freelancing is too hard, but because they learn the wrong skill, the kind that isn't actually in demand. In this video, I'll break down the top freelancing skills in demand for 2026, how much you can earn, and which are best for beginners. Stick around till the end for the fastest growing skill almost no one is talking about, so you can get ahead of the curve. Let's kick things off by diving into one of the most exciting and rapidly growing areas in the freelance world today: AI skills and prompt engineering. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries, the demand for people who know how to work with these tools is skyrocketing. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, understanding how to harness AI can open up a world of new opportunities. The best part? You don't need to be a computer scientist or have a PhD in machine learning to get started. Prompt engineering is one of the most accessible entry points into the AI space. It's all about learning how to communicate effectively with AI models like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney by crafting clear, specific prompts that get you the results you want. This skill is less about coding and more about creativity, problem solving, and understanding how these tools think. Today, companies of all sizes are searching for freelancers who can leverage AI tools to boost productivity, streamline workflows, and generate creative content. Whether it's writing, design, research, or customer support, AI can help you do more in less time, and businesses are willing to pay for that expertise. If you can show that you know how to use platforms like ChatGPT to solve real-world problems, you'll stand out from the crowd. Prompt engineers act as the crucial bridge between what AI is capable of and what businesses actually need. They translate business goals into effective prompts, ensuring that AI tools deliver useful, actionable results. This role is becoming more important as companies realize that simply having access to AI isn't enough. They need people who know how to get the most out of it. The field of prompt engineering is still incredibly new, which means there's very little competition right now. You can start learning today by experimenting with different AI tools, testing out various prompts, and sharing your results online. Platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and even personal blogs are great places to showcase your experiments and build a reputation as an AI-savvy freelancer. What's even more exciting is the earning potential. Prompt engineers and AI consultants can charge anywhere from $25 to over $150 per hour, even if you're just starting out. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, your rates can climb even higher. Businesses are willing to invest in people who can help them unlock the full power of AI. To get started, offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Look for small businesses or entrepreneurs who need help integrating AI into their workflows. By taking on a few projects and delivering great results, you can quickly build a portfolio that showcases your skills and attracts even more clients. In today's world, AI literacy is becoming just as important as digital literacy. Mastering prompt engineering isn't just a valuable skill for now, it's an investment in your future. As AI becomes more integrated into every industry, those who know how to use it effectively will be in high demand. So, don't worry about building the next big AI model like ChatGPT. Instead, focus on mastering how to use these tools to solve problems, create value, and help others unlock their potential. By becoming an expert in prompt engineering, you'll position yourself at the forefront of the AI revolution and open up a world of new freelance opportunities. Next up is graphic design, a classic freelancing skill that's only growing in demand. Every business needs eye-catching visuals, from social media graphics to website banners. Tools like Canva and Figma make it easy to start, even with zero experience. Build your portfolio with mock projects, logos, social posts, or infographics for fictional brands. Beginners can earn $20 per hour, while experienced designers charge $100+ or more for specialized work. Focus on a niche, deliver reliably, and you'll get repeat business and referrals. If you enjoy making things look better, graphic design is a fantastic skill to learn. The barriers to entry are low, and demand is only increasing as more companies go digital. Video editing has absolutely exploded in popularity over the past few years, thanks to the massive growth of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Everywhere you look, People are consuming short, engaging videos, and the demand for fresh, creative content is higher than ever before. Whether it's a viral dance, a product review, or a travel vlog, video is now the language of the internet. Businesses, influencers, and everyday creators all need help turning hours of raw footage into polished, eye-catching content that stands out. Editing is what transforms shaky, uncut clips into stories that capture attention and keep viewers watching until the very end. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a Hollywood studio to get started. Free software like DaVinci Resolve or affordable options like Adobe Premiere Pro are more than enough to create professional-looking videos right from your bedroom or kitchen table. Even smartphones now have powerful editing apps that let you cut, trim, and add effects on the go. Start simple by offering services like editing short social media clips, highlight reels, or basic YouTube videos. These are in huge demand, especially as more businesses and creators realize the power of video to reach new audiences and grow their brands. As a beginner, you can easily charge between $30 and $70 per hour for your editing skills, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. As you specialize and build a reputation, your rates can climb much higher, especially if you develop a unique style or niche expertise. To build your portfolio, start by editing your own videos, helping friends with their projects, or offering your services to local businesses. Every project you complete adds to your experience and gives you more examples to show future clients. The real key to success in video editing is understanding your client's brand, their goals, and the story they want to tell. Great editors don't just cut clips, they help shape a message and create an emotional connection with the audience. If you love storytelling, experimenting with creative effects, and bringing ideas to life visually, video editing is an amazing freelancing skill to master for 2026 and beyond. The possibilities are endless, and every project is a chance to learn something new. The more you practice, the better you get. Every video you edit sharpens your skills and makes you more marketable. With dedication and creativity, you can quickly build a thriving freelance career in video editing, turning your passion into profit. Content writing and copywriting are both in massive demand. Every website, blog, and marketing campaign needs words that work. In today's digital world, businesses and individuals rely on compelling writing to connect with their audiences, share their stories, and drive results. Whether it's a catchy headline, an informative blog post, or a persuasive sales page, the right words can make all the difference. Content writing and copywriting may sound similar, but they serve different purposes. Content writing is all about informing, educating, and engaging readers. It's used for articles, blogs, guides, and newsletters, anything that helps build trust and provide value. Copywriting, on the other hand, is focused on persuasion. It's the art of writing to sell, whether that's through advertisements, product descriptions, email campaigns, or landing pages. Both skills are essential for businesses looking to grow online. You don't need to be a literary genius to succeed in this field. What matters most is your ability to write clearly, communicate ideas effectively, and truly understand your audience's needs and desires. With practice, anyone can improve their writing skills and start landing clients. There are plenty of free resources to help you get started. Online courses, YouTube tutorials, and writing communities can teach you the basics. Tools like Grammarly and Hemingway make editing easier, helping you catch grammar mistakes and improve readability so your writing shines. As a freelance writer, your earning potential is significant. Rates can range from $0.05 to $0.50 per word, or $20 to $100 or more per hour, depending on your experience and niche. Specialized writers, like those in tech, finance, or health, can command even higher rates. The more you hone your skills and build your reputation, the more you can earn. To attract clients, start by building a portfolio. Write sample articles, product reviews, or case studies, and publish them on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn. This not only showcases your abilities but also helps you gain visibility in your chosen niche. Don't forget to track your results. Use analytics tools to measure the impact of your writing, like increased website traffic, higher engagement, or boosted sales. These metrics are powerful proof of your value to potential clients. The best part? Writing skills are needed in almost every industry, from tech and travel to health, education, and beyond. As a writer, you can work with clients all over the world, enjoying the flexibility and freedom of remote work. If you love research, storytelling, or simply expressing ideas, content writing and copywriting could be your ticket to a rewarding remote career. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion for words into a thriving business and enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere. Web development is a high-value freelancing skill that's always in demand. Every business needs a website, custom, fast, and reliable. Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Free resources and tutorials make it accessible. As you learn frameworks like React or back-end skills, your earning potential grows. Freelance web developers charge $100 per hour, with specialized skills commanding even more. Build your own portfolio site, then offer to help friends or local businesses. Success comes from understanding both technical and business needs. Clients want results, not just pretty code. If you love problem solving, web development is one of the most future-proof freelancing skills for 2026. Digital marketing drives business growth online. Every company needs to reach the right audience. From social media ads to SEO and email campaigns, there's a niche for every personality. Most skills can be learned through free or low-cost courses. Freelancers charge $25 $150 per hour, with top performers earning retainers or revenue shares. Start by mastering one area, like Facebook ads or Instagram growth, and document your results. Use case studies to attract new clients and expand your services as you gain confidence. The best digital marketers are always learning and testing new strategies. If you love helping businesses grow, digital marketing is a rewarding and in-demand freelancing skill. Virtual assistance is the most accessible freelancing skill. No advanced tech skills required. VAs help entrepreneurs and businesses stay organized, handling tasks from email to scheduling and social media. If you're organized, reliable, and a good communicator, you can start almost immediately. VAs typically earn $15–40 per hour, with specialists earning more. Build experience by helping friends or local businesses and collecting testimonials. The best VAs are proactive, anticipating needs and learning new tools. Many VAs become indispensable partners, leading to long-term, stable income. If you want a flexible, beginner-friendly path into freelancing, virtual assistance is a fantastic option. We've covered the top freelancing skills for 2026. Each can be learned online, no degree required. Freelancing is about solving real problems, not fancy qualifications. Pick one skill, spend an hour learning the basics, and practice every day for a month. You'll be amazed at your progress. Like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful. See you in the next video as we dive deeper into building your dream freelance career.